Hello, I'm John G. from Hastings Hotline Tools. We've got a couple things to show you here. First of all, we've got a quick release universal head, and then we've got a combination disconnect head. It's got the universal on both sides, so you can operate it from the right or left side. To operate the quick release, take the strain off of it by loosening it up about a half a turn, push the buttons in to release the threads. It pushes the threads all the way open. You can change out your attachment. Push the button in, to push in the screw, and then give it a tightening turn. That's all there is to it.